It seems that you're either hot or cold. For one truth said, a lie is told. When I really need someone to hold, you get close, then let me go. You make it look easy the way you play me like your favorite game. Then you run and you hide. It darkens the sky with a hurricane that you leave behind. So how am I supposed to feel? Know what's even real? Would you just say I'm not enough? I'm not ready for love. I'm not one to place the blame. I put it all on me. If you're lying, I must be a psycho for still trying to be the one you need. And I know that it's ridiculous being friends with benefits, wanting just a little bit more of a commitment. Could it be I'm too immature for being so insecure? I don't know if you get bored or what your temperature is, but it seems to be either hot or cold. For one truth said, a lie is told. When I really need someone to hold, you get close, then let me go. You make it look easy the way you play me like your favorite game. Then you run and you hide. It darkens the sky with a hurricane that you leave behind. So how am I supposed to feel? Know what's even real? Would you just say I'm not enough? I'm not ready for love. Oh my God, I don't know what is real. Don't wanna let you go. Don't wanna love you still. Oh my God, I don't know what is real. Don't you let me go. Don't you love me still. I must evacuate because you never stay. You're leaving hurricane. Reevaluate. Cause if you're here to stay, then everything will be okay. Oh, it seems that you're either hot or cold. For one truth said, a lie is told. When I really need someone to hold, you get close and let me go. You make it look easy the way you play me like your favorite game. Then you run and you hide. It's darkens the sky with a hurricane that you leave behind. That you leave behind. That you leave with a hurricane that you leave behind.